Hi, this is the landing page of the Teach and Learn website. And over here, you can see that we have included a few videos to educate a new user how to use this platform and why to use it. This also serves uh, some marketing purpose. This is the home page which you can access after signing up to the application and logging in. And on top of this page, you can see perhaps the most important feature of our website, which is the Teach and Learn toggle button. When you switch to the Teach mode, you basically step into the shoes of a teacher. And a teacher can organize classes either by creating independent teach cards about a topic which he wants to teach or which he thinks he can teach well, or he can go to a learn card, and if he thinks that the topic requested in that learn card is something that he can help the student in or the other user in, he can create a teach card in response to that learn card. When you switch to the learn mode, you are expected to act like a student, and a student can either raise requests by creating independent learn cards, or he can enroll into classes that are already going to take place, which are created by some other users. The details he can find inside the teach card, and from here he can enroll into it. If someone wants to learn something specific or he wants to teach something specific, he can go to the search bar and look for it. So you can see there's a user who has appeared here, and if we click on his profile, we can see that he's also interested in this subject. So he can message this user to find out who is he contacting with and who is he taking help from. You can also see that there's already a learn card which someone else has raised, where that person wants to know how you are supposed to deploy an application on AWS. So if this user is also interested in this subject, then he can show his interest by pressing this button, and he can also enroll into the class which is going to take place discussing this topic. If he wants to learn cybersecurity, you can see there's already a teach card created for cybersecurity. So if he clicks on it, he can see there's a class that is going to be that has been organized and is going to take place in this time. So if he's interested in this topic, he would enroll, pay some coins to enroll into the class, and join that class mentioned during the time in this curve. Now, suppose he wants to see whether that person taking that class is credible enough or not. He can click on his profile and see his credibility. Like, this person has taught 5 classes and he's got 2 ratings and an average rating of 8.5 out of 10. So which is pretty good. This will prevent someone from wasting their time enrolling into useless classes. The way to earn coins or the internal currency on this application is by teaching well. When someone teaches well, they are rated by the students of that class, and based on that rating, they are rewarded with coins. Over here, you can see they've also included a general forum where people can post their queries and the users on this application can answer them. And each upvote to your answer earns you a coin. So there's an incentive and almost everything positive that you contribute on this app. They're going to introduce a groups feature where people can form small groups based on their requirements. Suppose they want to form a group based on where they only discuss about biology. So that can happen, or or they want to discuss only regarding certain exams or certain papers or courses, etc. It's up to them. And we also have plans to integrate an AI assistant very soon, because AI is absolutely necessary these days too, and especially in the field of education, we guess. This is our mobile application, which is almost finished, and we have plans to launch it by the end of September 2023. This is going to be our main product besides our web application, because more people in countries like India and other developing countries have access to mobile devices rather than laptops or PCs, especially after the pandemic.